What's up, YouTube friends? I was working on my parking brakes and I thought I would post this really quickly here. So this is what a parking brake looks like. It would sit obviously behind the rotor, something like this, behind the hub. Getting these springs off is actually really difficult. So the easiest way that I found to do this is, while this is all, pretend this is all still connected, what you would do is you would actually pull apart this spring and remove this adjuster. That collapses this part. That spring can fall out really easily. And then, while it's still on the car, then you can get these parts over the hub, get them out, and then this thing pivots right here, right around this pin. And then these two teeth, these two claws, is what grabs the cable. And without having to fight all the springs, you can just remove it that way. Hopefully a quick tip that helps you out. In terms of adjustment, this is the adjuster. On the right side and the left side, you also have the 10 millimeters right next to the handle in the cabin. Yes, it does come apart. You just put it back in with some grease. Alrighty.